My name is India Mayhook-Walker. I'm a student at the University of Sheffield Medical School going into my final year, and I've come to the National Hospital in Kyrgyzstan to do part of my medical elective in the Department of General Surgery. I'd like to show you the department. This is the General Surgery Department where I've mostly been based. Patients are seen here pre-operatively and come here after the operation to recover. So I've really enjoyed seeing a wide range of procedures, really enjoyed seeing a wide range of general surgical procedures. It's been interesting to see the patients pre-operatively and then to see them post-operatively and to see the post-operative management of the patients through to discharge. So while I've been here, I've been fortunate enough to see a wide range of surgical diseases. Including several things that I haven't seen at home. For example, I've assisted in several echinococcectomies, which are removal of cysts caused by the Echinococcus parasite. I'd never encountered this back in the UK, and it's been really interesting to see how they're treated surgically and then to read up more about the pathology of the whole disease. I've also been fortunate enough to see and understand how the Kyrgyz healthcare system works and the difference between the healthcare system here and the views of patients and doctors on healthcare and how diseases should be treated out here compared to back home.
Hi everyone, my name is Dr. Khalis. I'm general surgeon. First meeting with India was about 2 weeks ago. From the first meeting, she made a good impression about her because she was so concentrated in the operations. She was she tried to get a lot of knowledge, a lot of information about every patient, every case in operation. Thank you so much.